hei, dewa emmo ong yi to umani, ubot ya gajuk keluti. Wai wau chimle ya ka wan ka kam ka wachingai. Henry memma keli kamon mentu lada kwa apiu chna yi iwa mani yong pihi. Ilai luti to amto iwa sok em chibun iko. Wai keluti ye gale uman ka wahap ulai semen. Tangwane benta kitu ki wachlur wai ki kwa sakhiat uku chaprang. Kakhusnam untuk dukat ya kemenrit yang pi semen Henry penwandur gale wat ya kemenrit yang kechnong katau yang pi tang wamdu pi ulai semen hagani garuti ka Chief Minister's Championship Challenge kawasan emlang gawa kerchan ya gitu gida pen krek wa tia chaprang kani man kapalat banyak ya pela kani tok kejing ya khilang kalat wa yok sia wa cha sikai imentoi wa bun wa ikerchan ba emkam wanra ya gela wa chim ye wani wa sedang pi wa kamjo open ku ye te Chakli yang kilo, hau ni usnam uyoi yewa he, ibu kamai wa kamjo le imentoi. Yagni ka thong, to gerwai pa ba de sarkar Meghalaya, ka udah penwandur na bentawa kerchan ki kam ki wasdang nedo wasdang. Kani to gerensan ka terwa, yai man kam ginong penyu pen kedau, irap poisa wa kamjo, yo lingba ka program incubation ka wa kendi benai yang ka prime. Ledaman pi kibacong cenong jong Meghalaya kibade em lepa ye khi iwa pna senhi wai kibade kre o ku chaneng kini to kalat ka yong pi kinya phau sangut kiwa cha jit uyo ki ye yarap de ka song poisa leni ka business support grant katwa ki le phau sangut won uyo ki ye ka song poisa ka mar arlak tengka o kamjo ki so phau ngut kiwa bot won uyo ki mar chilak tengka nei wenta wo punku ye ka kam yong ki chakmat Daw yo apilaw ya emlang haki incubation programs nete ki lat heto waki kam networking dawi emlang ki rusan ki bada ku chakmat wakam jo ki tiar ki kam nei bentawo sedang ye ka kam kamo ban daw yo mentoi pile nei cha sikai iwa marsemen waki ru champang ki ru kom sikai ki open plia ki sap krek kam ki yong pi wakam jo le yo bha api heto wa yarap poisa ipenya to ya dei ki yaw ki han wakam jo ithau kre lani ki office space ha Shillong wa hatura de to ipor wa lai chawa palat ijing yo jingai ka menrit to ka yong pi ka wa penwandur
katu de to kepali ke yong pi
katu to dapoi kepali yong pi
Abai keren bagi nong pathai kubor ba po Lyngdoh ulong ba kejing Ïakynduh ba kejing keren ba MP kelong ba sei so ba baru ko abanan kejing trelang ha baro kiliang kham tam ha ka bedai ba ki emlang salang kejing kieu kejing di ba kejing khai drugs ba kejing dan bon kilong yeng long sem kibla syai ha ki kimiki pa ka de ka kam ka ba sngo khya ba UMP ula ai ki sembo jing ai jing mut ke bakong san ba ula sngap ba cha skor ba ulong ba ne trelang halor ki bobon ki benta ki ba Ktah ka Jylla Haka bedai bagajing penmena ke HYC baniat patba manditor sa secretariat haka pratarik unai wiang uba po Lyngdoh ulong ba amdan ni kanu kamat ba amdan ni kanu gejing e bat kijing lek seng balang e ke kapakile ara kim tampat yopot bat uba Ktah pat ya kaan ulong bagi dan hang ne ban bat ya kaan bat kalong badan kam ban pen thamai bat ban pen klan ka tanat pulet bat ban pen kup bor chu ki bat kawen ki bentai ke bakong san ba ka de anti narcotics task force But udah nigi jingmut kiba ansepen snow hau sumbut menteri rang ba Jylla ba kemi ya ketanat pulit. Uba po Lyngdoh ulong bagi seng bahalang kita ni kahok ban penlong ya jingi ki ndrei kideban burampat ya kaan.
Actually, I came to meet the social welfare minister of Lyngdoh out of concern of what is going on in the state. As you all know, reports coming from from NFHS. About the condition of our state, where 41% of our household is the female-headed household, and where 42% of the population live in these households. That is one. The other issue, the drugs issue in our state, which is very, very serious and very alarming. In Delhi, people talk about it, and then the issue of alcoholism in the state, and these are very, very serious social issues which I'm really concerned, and that is why I came to meet Paul, suggesting to him and the government that there's this institute called the National Institute of Social Defense. So I came to suggest if we can have a center here in Meghalaya so that we can do a thorough research and find out ways and means of how we can tackle this very, very serious issue in our state. So that is the reason why I've come to meet.
It was a fruitful meeting. The local MP had wanted us to coordinate and work together in various sectors, especially in the social welfare sector, a problem that we have with a high level of drug addiction and drug trafficking, and also the large number of single parent families. So he had made a few valuable suggestions, and I gave him a patient hearing, and will certainly look forward to working together on a few core sectors that affect the interests of Meghalaya.
ILP, well, that I've discussed, but then not in the in the right in the forum, like say the Parliament. But these things we will take up very soon. But for now, we're taking one issue after another. We've talked about the issue of this illegal coal mining and transportation, which is again an issue which is really affecting our state, affecting the environment. It's sad that till today this rampant mining and transportation of coal is still taking place, which I feel that this time again I will take up with the concerned minister. This is something which, because as a state we're also losing on revenue, and also losing on the environment. So, and these are some of the issues, very pertinent, very important issue that I've taken up earlier, and I will continue to do so.
Well, we have no issues. I have no problems with NGOs doing what they have to do, as long as they do not cross the barriers and the boundaries of the law. We are here to uphold the law, and structurally we also need to revamp the state police in order to effectively arm them with more powers. One of them obviously is the ANTF, which I have a few ideas to share with the Deputy CM in charge for. The other important aspect of this debate is that drug trafficking and narcotics is a very sensitive subject, and it is difficult for me as Minister in charge to share all details with the public. There is the operation of a large number of sharks who are professionals in the drug trafficking business. We have leads as to their hideouts. We need to nip things in the bud, starting from where the supply chain started. So all this is highly sensitive information. Whatever we do, I can't go to the rooftop of the Secretariat and tell people that this is what is happening and this is our plans. Therefore, to a casual observer, it might seem that we are not doing enough. But I'll tell you, results are showing, and we should be in a position to deal with this menace more effectively than we have ever done in the past. But again, I reiterate, NGOs are free to demonstrate their protest or their dissatisfaction, but they need not cross the frontiers of the rule of law. Because as a state, you might have seen today's report, which you yourself has carried. Shillong is now the preferred destination, #1 among Indians. We have reached that position. It's a huge honor for the state of Meghalaya for Shillong to be a preferred destination, and by 2025 there is going to be indications are that there will be close to 70% increase in the footfalls of tourists visiting Meghalaya. Who are these people coming for? For whose interest? So a lot of that is important, and let's not be guided by emotions and sheer hate against the system.
I think it is a serious matter, and I think it's an issue again. For example, I give you just one example: the World Bank funded project, from Ladum Sao to Maumara. Some 80 crores for the project, if I'm not mistaken, to get the figures right. I mean, see, the road has yet to be completed, and then repair is going on. I mean, what is this? And that World Bank funded project. So it is a matter of serious concern. I feel that the public should, high time that the public should come out and speak against such activities, because this is concerning us and our future. See, we do such, some activities are being carried out in this manner. This is something very serious, because at the end it's public money. So each and every pie is accountable, by those people who are have been given or awarded the contract. We expect that they do a good job. Otherwise, I think like the allegation which you just mentioned.
FIR has been filed.
Yeah, so this is very serious, and I hope the government is also serious, take this up seriously, and put these people into, take them to task.